Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MV Maligaya, MMSI 322246 or 480. Call sign Delta Bravo Mike Alpha. Position 50 degrees 10.9 minutes north, 008 degrees for 4 minutes east. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 5 people on board, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The other lifeboat has 1 person on board. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is 322248 Motor Vessel Maligaya. Call sign Delta Bravo Mike Alpha. Position 50 degrees 10.9 minutes north, 008 degrees for 4 minutes east. I have problem with engine. I require tug assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All ships, all ships, all ships. In area Gulf of Gabes, this is 322246. Motor Vessel Maligaya. Call sign Delta Bravo Mike Alpha. Dangerous iceberg located in position 2 nautical miles south of Peter Gulf Gabes. Over.